Hello, today we are going to talk about how you can hide different elements of your custom product pages with no coding or development. While our app is focused on building calculators so that you can offer your customers a user-friendly way to order products sized to their individual needs, we also understand the need for your calculators to blend natively in your storefront. That is why we built ways to easily edit the look and feel of our calculators and the product pages that they are embedded on. As you can see on our demo store, we have a custom price calculator embedded, but we are displaying the price on top here saying $35. That doesn't make much sense as the price is calculated dynamically by the custom price calculator. If we want to hide this, all we have to do is right click on the element we want to hide, go down to inspect, hover over the code until we find one that highlights the entire area we want to hide. We'll right click on that, go to copy, and then click copy selector. Next, in your Shopify admin panel, go to custom price calculator, go to design, custom CSS. Here you have an input box where you will paste what we just copied, click hide element. You'll see it populates right here. And then all you have to do is click save, and it should hide the element from your storefront. To make sure everything is working as expected, go back to your storefront, click refresh, and the selected element should be hidden. If it's still appearing in your store, just make sure you copied the right element in the section before. That is all there is to it. With a few clicks, you can modify the design and layout of your product page. There are other ways to change the design, such as changing the colors of the calculator. To learn more about that, visit support.custompricecalculator.com or email us. If you have any questions about this process or any of our other features, please reach out. You can install the app and start a free trial directly on the Shopify App Store. Thank you for watching.